Hey, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today we are learning how to run a 5K even if we're fat and overweight. Let's get started. All right, this is day 2 of our training program, our tutorial on how to run. If you're just joining us, go back and watch. I'll put a link now. Go back and watch the intro. Go back and watch why we do this. This is how I started out in running. I've since gained about 60 pounds in the last 4 years that I'm hoping to lose, and running has become more of a chore than an enjoyment because of this. So I decided to go back to my roots and do what I did 5-6 years ago that got me started loving running, and what got me to the point where I was able to run a couple marathons and an ultra marathon of 54 miles. Okay, so it's really simple. Today's workout is just like yesterday's. It's literally exactly the same. We're going to run/walk for 30 minutes. The majority of this is going to be walking. We're going to do about 22 minutes of walking and 8 minutes of running. So anybody can do it. Just commit to doing it. Now you're going to need to download the running app. We recommend Nike Run, but you can use any app that will track your runs, that will GPS track your runs. And then you need an interval timer to tell you when to stop running and to start running. The one I use is interval timer is what it's called. Go back to yesterday's video and watch the part on how to set that up. We're going to get started today. The workout is simple. It's 5-minute warm-up, which is just a walk. Then it's 1 minute of running and 1:30 of walking. We repeat that 8 times, and then we cool down with a 5-minute walk. That's it. You're going to end up running 8 minutes, end up walking 22 minutes. It's designed like that for a reason, because anybody can do it, and we're just getting started. So join with us. We got Chase with us on today's run. Chase of the Nani Talks YouTube channel puts a segment together called Chasey Chats, where he shares all kinds of facts. Chase, why are you running today? You like running? Do you think you can keep up with your dad?
Yeah.
Do you think you can run the whole time?
Yeah.
Okay, are you going to run every minute that we're supposed to run?
Yes.
Are you going to walk every minute we're supposed to walk?
Yes.
Okay. We also have my wife Amy with us. Amy, what are you hoping to get out of this run?
Help me
To run more? Okay.
to move my body.
All right, let's get started. It's a 5-minute walk. All right, we're on our first 1-minute run. Okay? It's important that you move the whole time. You might not do an actual run. I do a very slow jog right now. Okay? But you've got to do something that's faster than a walk for 1 minute. All right? And then when 1 minute's over, it's important to take that rest. There's our rest. Walk. How you feeling? It's nice and cold, huh? All right, we're halfway. Start running back. Across the street. We're halfway done. Across the street, go. We're halfway done. How's your run going? Means we've ran 4 minutes and we've walked 6 minutes. Plus our warm-up, 11 minutes. How you feeling, Amy? There's my show-off son, cruising. Keep going, 1 minute intervals. How you guys feeling? How you feeling? Who's running the fastest? Faster than me? I doubt that. I don't have what on camera? You're behind me, right? All right, run. This is our last one. I'm gonna see if I can do this without driving you crazy with how bumpy the camera is. Oh, he passed me. Okay, this is our last minute. Get this last minute in. See if I can do it without it being too bumpy. This is hard. This might be unusable footage. Here we go, baby. Come on, Amy. A little mental trick I like to do. I like to say to myself a countdown. This might drive you crazy, but I like it. I say 7 down, 1 to go. Because we ran 7 legs, 7 intervals. This is our last one. And we get cool there. Chase is way ahead of us. Amy's trying to act like she's in front of me, but she's behind me still. Amy's doing this on injured lungs. from blood clots. I'm doing this on injured pride from a fat belly. Hey, walk time. Yep. So technically this is our last interval. This is the walk portion, the 1.5-minute walk portion of our 8th interval. But on this workout, the way it lines up is the end of interval 8, which is walking, goes right into your cool down. So we really are cooling down for like 6.5 minutes. But important thing to point out, your cool down and your warm-up walk, those are your casual, just feel good, take your time walks. Your walks in between your runs are supposed to be brisk walks. Not so fast you're injuring yourself. You're not a speed walker, but it needs to be brisk. So this is where I always beat my son. He'll pass me when I run, but then when we walk, I walk way faster than him. Probably because I have longer legs and because he's wimpier. But anyways, that's the workout, guys. We're gonna do that one more time. You should have done it yesterday or 2 days ago, depending on how you break this up. But you need to do at least 3 workouts a week, 1 every other day. Or if you want to expedite it, you can do 4 or 5 or 6, no more than 6 in 1 week. Each of these workouts are 30 minutes. The max we get is 40 minutes. And that's the end of our workout. We now have a 5-minute cool down. Enjoy your run. We'll see you tomorrow.
Again, if you just stumbled upon this, I highly recommend you go watch the introduction to this running program. It's designed for people that, like myself, have gotten out of shape and overweight, or maybe you've just had a baby and you want to get back into running. Maybe you've never ran and you want to be able to do it, but you can't last more than a couple minutes. This program is for you. It's simple, it's safe, and it's fun. So go watch the introduction video if you haven't. If you skipped yesterday's workout, go to the previous video. It should be on the screen now. And if you already have done this workout, go to the next workout for tomorrow and go get that one done. Have a great day.